Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying essentials. Check the Xbox system update and controller firmware so you're not chasing fixed bugs. Once done, run the Xbox network diagnostics to read NAT type, packet loss, and latency. These numbers tell you whether the problem is local or ISP related. Then reboot the console and your router and switch to wired Ethernet to isolate Wi-Fi interference. Make sure to note baseline ping and packet loss before changing settings so you can measure improvement. Now you optimize the network. Assign a static IP to the Xbox and enable quality of service or prioritization for gaming traffic so packets get through faster. Once configured, try alternative DNS providers like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 to reduce lookup delays and measure any change in resolved latency. Make sure to pause large downloads or streaming on other devices during gaming sessions. If NAT remains strict, set up port forwarding for required Xbox Live ports to improve matchmaking and reduce hiccups. Finish by addressing console and game-side causes. Clear local save cache and temporary files, and reinstall games that stutter to remove corrupted assets. Once done, enable any available performance mode inside game settings and check your drive health. Update external or internal SSD firmware because slow storage causes hitching. If problems persist, capture a short network trace and the timestamps of lag. Then contact your ISP to investigate routing or Xbox support with those traces.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.